Welcome to Let's Talk Fashion, powered by Bangalore Fashion Week. This is our summer edition, and this year we are celebrating our silver jubilee, which brought to us Mr. Siddharth K. Kakar. Hi, sir.
Hi,
Welcome to the seat.
thank you so much. Thank you for having me here. My pleasure, my pleasure.
So I want to start with, I'm wearing one of your beautiful pieces. I feel amazing in this. This is making me want to go out there and become a professional. I am not yet, but this is giving me the confidence boost too.
Very nice.
Thank you so much.
You realize we are wearing the same print.
We are. Yes. I just noticed that. So please, I want to know what inspires all this.
See, this particular collection is called Arka.
Arka.
Yeah, which has been derived from the Sanskrit word Arka. Since we were celebrating the summer edition, so I was like, let me just bring summer collection to the plate.
Right.
And now, if I have to explain my design sensibilities, so I've been all doing festive collection, the celebratory collection, all this
Okay.
while.
Right.
So I launched my label in 2012,
Mm-hmm.
and we are sitting in 2024. So all this while, I've only been doing the wedding clothes, the
Really?
floor pieces, and everything. So when I got an opportunity for BFW, and I was like, why not a Pret collection this time? Let me just push myself,
Right.
do something which I haven't done till now, and let's just get something out on the plate which a person, like you said, you're feeling amazing wearing this, right?
I really
So
am.
something that the other person feels confident wearing, and at the same time it's very comfortable. You don't have to just push yourself in the outfit.
That's true.
The outfit is very, it's fluid. The way you wear it, it's fluid. The way you carry it.
Yeah.
So this is what I wanted to do, because talking about summers, it's all about the different moods of the sun.
Right.
You
Right.
sometimes it's you sweating a lot. Sometimes it's a very brighter sun. It's a sunny day, and sometimes your evening, you have breezy evenings and all.
Right.
So I wanted to just vibe with all the shades of sun with the outfits.
Lovely.
Now summers, of course, we have our office. We cannot miss our work. So there are not to be missed work days.
That's
Then
true.
there are some meetings that we have to go and attend, which are soft lunches, probably some romantic lunches that we have to go out on. Then evening parties, of course. You can't deal with this entire day without having an evening casual.
The
day
whole
out.
process of going home and changing,
Yeah,
it's
so
a task.
this collection basically is a bridge between the office wear to the lounge wear to the lunches to the vacation, the resort. So everything just comes in one collection.
Wow.
So in the number of pieces that we display, so probably I don't know how many pieces people would resonate to, but then my target was to at least give one outfit to that person. When that person who's looking at the collection says, okay, this is what is me.
Right.
This is what
Right.
resonates with my personality. So this was my entire idea behind the collection.
You have thought of it all, right?
That's how you come to the show and just present your, way out.
Wonderful. So I would like to know, right? You were just telling me that you've moved from bridal. You've done bridal for the past 12 years.
I have been a menswear designer. So basically it's all 10 years, a decade long of menswear. And recently only I decided to enter into women's wear.
Really?
Yeah. And that too happened with one of the clients who was like, Siddharth, why don't you design something for us? I was like, ma'am, we don't do women's wear. I don't have the expertise. And she stood up, looked at the entire collection that I had at my store. And then she came back and stood in front of me, looked into my eyes and said, Siddharth, that expertise is right here. All you need to do is just push yourself now. Do something. And I was like, okay. And I thought over it and said, why not? If we have been doing menswear, what kept us holding back for women's wear?
Right.
So this is how I entered. Probably it was always there in the hindsight, but I never, pushed myself to do this.
Right.
So this is how I entered into women's wear, and then the second challenge immediately after that was the breath. So what to do with the summer collection? So this is what you're wearing now.
Wow, what a journey that has been for you, right? I really want to say that men's collections don't have as many options, but that would be doing injustice to what you are wearing right now. Really, it would be, right? And I'm so glad you switched to women's wear as well. I think you're creating marvelous pieces.
Thank you so much. If you had noticed, so the piece that you're wearing is structured but fluid.
It really is.
So this is how a menswear expertise is translated into women's wear. So you're wearing a jacket,
Yeah.
but the jacket does not have any kind of padding, the shoulder pads that keep you, intact.
Exactly.
So they are fluid. They give you that movement, the breathability, and then you're wearing this corset belt to just add to it. It cinches in the waist to just add to the figure that you are carrying. So this was my entire idea: how to get that expertise from the menswear and just introduce something in women's wear that I can in my capabilities.
Wow. So, sir, talk about your bridal collection a little bit. What inspires you through those pieces?
I before starting my own label, I was working with Mr. Varun Behel, and there I was majorly handling all the VIP clientele, the celebrity clientele, and their weddings and all. So that's how I got the knack of the embroideries.
Okay.
So I really loved embroideries. I really loved the colors that we were using at that time, and then only I decided, okay, I also wanted to enter in something in the similar zone. So that's how I came back to. I relocated to my native city,
Right.
in Jalandhar. So that's how I started, and slowly and gradually now I have another store in Ludhiana, which is now the flagship store. And
Wow.
God has been kind that I've been able to cater to a lot of good profiles
Mm-hmm.
in up north, and a lot of NRI clients, along with the celebrities like A.R. Rahman, Harbhajan Singh,
Beautiful.
Kapil Sharma, Yuvraj Hans, and a lot more to talk
And I have the privilege of being able to speak to you right now.
about.
Really,
If you could say so, yeah.
it really
No,
is.
it's my pleasure to be here on this couch and talking about my collection, to have somebody who actually wants to hear about the collection and the designer's journey. So I think that is more like the stage that you're getting here. So I think this is what really is required.
Speaking of wanting to get to know more about your collection, so I want to get to know more about you. What was that one moment that you remember way back when you first decided that you wanted to become a fashion designer?
It all happened by accident. I was an odd-med student, and
Really?
I had always been very good with my creative abilities, the creative skills. I used to participate in all the possible competitions, inter-school, inter-state, wherever I got an opportunity. So one day, my very close friend, he was like, Siddharth, why don't I filled NIFT form? Why don't you also fill it? So I was like, it's okay, I'll just fill it. So I was very casual and candid when I filled the form, gave the exam, gave the second stage, and I cleared all those through, which he could not, but I did. So when I got the results and I was selected, so I was like, okay, I don't want to pursue anything else. I want to go. This is probably the destiny.
Well, I don't think it was an accident, sir. I think this was what you were meant to be doing. Because we are lucky enough to be able to have clothing like this, right? Pieces like this. This is.
I'm honored when you say that.
What does it mean for you to be a part of Bangalore Fashion Week?
See, the 25th edition brought me here. Though I was in touch with the team since the longest period of time, but then I think there was some element that was missing. So probably the Silver Jubilee gravitated me towards the show here. So I was like, okay, this time I don't want to miss it. Let's just.
That's amazing. That's wonderful. So thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you for having me.
I'm really looking forward to seeing what your brand and your label has in store for us.
Oh, likewise. I'm also looking forward to what all I'm capable of, what all I can do after this.
That's wonderful. I am Hansika Sesh signing off. Until next time, let's talk fashion.